Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you ever use a portable charging device or charging stations, then you know how important it is to have a good charging cable. Now, this cable I have here is a short cable that goes USB-A to USB-C, and these are the perfect length for us to use with our charging station. I really love these cables because they are 1 foot long, and they are a really nice heavy-duty quality. The braided designs makes them extra durable and really keeps the cord in its place when my devices are charging. We specifically got these for our stationary charging station so that we have a place to plug in all of our devices. The charging station itself has a USB-A port, and then many of our devices are powered by USB-C plugs. So this was the perfect cable for us to use with a variety of devices. What I really like about this is the length. I have tried shorter cords and longer cords with our charging station, and either they were too short or it just still looked like a disaster of cords. But this 1 foot cord really works perfectly to go straight from the station to our device without creating an eyesore in the middle of our living room. So if you're looking for a nice, portable, convenient, and great quality cord that goes USB-C to USB-A, I would definitely check out these ones. I've been really happy with them. But that's just my point of view.